With the application of a diamond dry cutting drill, a centering drill is recommended. This drill has to be removed after centering. If a vacuum cleaner is used, this dry cutting drill can be used in a closed room. During the usage of a core drill and a drill rig, the following steps should be made. Drilling a mounting dowel hole. Inserting of the dowel. Securing of the dowel through the chisel. Fitting of the special stand holding screw. Mounting and prefixing of the drill rig. Centering and final tightening of the rig. Mounting of the drill bit with a special roof-shaped diamond segments. Setting of the recommended motor RPM. Operating the safety switch and switching on the drill motor. Opening the water supply. Manual, careful and gentle feeding of the drill bit. The right amount of water should be chosen, so that the milky white drilling slurry is transported away from the drilling area. If the vacuum suction ring is used, the slurry is filtered and the recycled water is collected in suction bucket. With the suction equipment, the water can directly be extracted at the drill bit. There are hardly any breakouts as the drill bit cuts through the wall. To fix a drill stand quickly on a smooth surface, a suction plate with a vacuum pump is used. The removal of this suction plate can be done single-handed.